Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel OMG Tech World. In this video I will tell you how to set up a SIM card lock so that if your mobile is lost or stolen you don't have to panic. In nowadays your mobile is connected to many things. It may be your social media accounts, bank OTP and credit card also. So if you lost your mobile or someone has stolen your device, then you must have to set up a SIM card lock. In order to set up a SIM card lock, you have to see the following video completely. In order to set up a SIM card lock, first of all you have to go to settings. In settings you have to go to biometrics and security. In biometrics and security you can easily find other security setting. In other security setting you can easily find set up a SIM card lock. If you have a dual SIM mobile you can set a SIM card lock on both mobiles. After clicking, as I have already set a SIM card lock, that's why it's showing me a pin code. You can set up a pin code. If you are an iPhone user, you can also set by going to settings. In setting you can set up a SIM card lock. In setting you can easily find cellular. In cellular you can easily find SIM card lock. Moreover, you have to set a SIM card password that you can easily remember, as in most cases the attempts for the password are limited, so you have to be careful. If you forgot your password and you have attempted all your attempts, then your SIM card will be blocked and can only be opened from service center.